Hey, hi all. In this video, we will be discussing about Lightning App Builder. So, what is Lightning App Builder and what all the things we can do in a Lightning App Builder while making an app in Salesforce. So, let's start. So, what is Lightning App Builder? The Lightning App Builder is a point-and-click tool that makes easy to create custom pages for Salesforce mobile app and Lightning experience, giving your users what they need all in one place. But that's not all. When you edit a Lightning app from the app manager in setup, you are brought into the Lightning app builder to manage the app settings. You can update the app's branding, navigation options, and manage the Lightning pages assigned to that app, all in the Lightning app builder. So all in all, you can do all the modifications to that particular Lightning app in the Lightning app builder. With the Lightning app builder, you can build single page applications that drill down into standard pages, dashboard styled apps, such as apps to track top sales prospects or key leads for the quarter, point apps to solve particular tasks, such as an expense app for users to enter expenses and monitor expenses they have submitted, custom record pages for your objects tailored to the needs of your users, custom home pages are containing components and features that your users use most. Custom record pages can be like if you want some custom or custom record pages on account or on any of the objects, so the relevant fields or the fields which is expected from the user, and like it should be in the top, or it should be in the visibility, or it should be visible when you open a record, so that it will be helpful. Then you can place accordingly in that manner. You can use some custom tabs so that your data or your record data will be in some organized manner, and it will not be a lengthy page layout. Yeah. Then a Lightning app page is a custom layout that lets you design pages for use in the Salesforce mobile app or Lightning experience. A Lightning page is composed of regions that contain components. So there are some regions, and then we have multiple components that can be a custom component, Visual Force page, then it can be a, or a component on LWC Lightning Web component that we can implant in that region, that we will see in the examples. Then the structure of the Lightning app page adapts for the device it's viewed on. The template you choose when creating the page controls how it displays on a given device. The Lightning pages template divides the page into regions, different regions. As you can see on the screen, it's 1, 2, 3. On tab, it will be in this manner if it is horizontal or vertical, and then on the mobile phone, it will be in this manner. So what are Lightning components? Lightning component is a compact, configurable, and reusable elements to add to a Lightning page in the Lightning app builder. Lightning page supports standard components, custom components, third-party components on App Exchange. So what are standard components? Standard components are Lightning components built by Salesforce. Custom components are Lightning components that you or someone else have created according to the use case or according to the business need or requirement. Third-party components on App Exchange. The App Exchange provides a marketplace for Lightning components. You can find packages containing components already configured and ready to use in the Lightning App Builder. The Lightning App Builder user interface is first we have the header. Header will be the name of that particular Lightning app page. Then the toolbar. Toolbar will be like to copy, cut any element. Then Lightning component span will have all the components which you can place in the Lightning page canvas. Then we have a Lightning page canvas on different regions, what all things we can place. Then property span. For each and every component, we can set the visibility. We can have some attributes. We can set some of the attributes to it. So that is defined in the property span when you click on that particular component or region. Then we have what are the different type of Lightning page we can create. That is app page, home page, or record page. App page, use an app page to create a home page for a third-party app that you can add directly into the Salesforce mobile app and Lightning experience navigation menus. Your users then have an app home page where they can quickly access the most important objects and items rather than unnecessary data, or it will be just how your org or how your app is performing. That some dashboards can be there in that manner. Homepage. Create a homepage with features relevant to specific type of users and assign the customized pages to different apps or app and user profile combinations. Custom home pages are supported in Lightning experience only. Then we have record page. With a record page, you can create a customized version of an object's record page, tailoring it to your user needs, business requirements. Custom record pages are supported in Lightning experience and in the Salesforce mobile app. That's all in this. Further, we will see the example of how we can create a Lightning app page in the org. We will just log into the org and then we will click on the setup. And after clicking on setup, in the quick find box, we will search for Lightning App Builder and then we will click on new and this type of page will open. In that we can create a Lightning app page or a home page or record page. So we will be creating a record page. So just click on next. We can give name as account record page. Select account, then we will click on next. So in the next we have to choose the template. So header, subheader, whichever you want you can choose. So it will be of 3 region, 2 region, as per your requirement you can choose that. So I will go with this, finish it. So as we have selected this regions, so a default record page will be created with that, and then we have to implant the components in that. If you want to check for any another page in your org, then you can just click here. You will get all the pages which were created. Then we are at components here, at components here, at components here. This was the regions which we have selected, the type of the page. Then we have to go for the tabs. So we will just place tabs here. So there will be 2 tabs. One is detail, one is related. So if we want to make details first, then we have to just place it. So details will be there. Now the detail tab is added. What will be the component to that? So it will be the detail of that particular record. And what you want in the related information you can put here. So the related list single, and then in this properties you can manage like what related list you want, approval history, cases. In that manner you can select and you can save it. So the cases will be there, the related cases will be there. If you want to create any custom tab, then you have to just add a tab and then you have to just give it a custom. Tab label will be custom, sorry, tab label will be custom and custom label will be custom tab. So a custom tab will be created. In that custom tab you can add any component, whatever you want to add. Summer 22 notifications, if you want to add, you can add that. If there is any flow, then you can add that too. In that way you can create a custom tab and you can add the components, custom components which you have created, or the standard components. If you want, you can add that too. Then you can design like what type of layout should be there for that flow. If it is fine, then you can just keep it as it is. Then highlights panel will be there. Highlights panel, the account name and this fields will be there. And then you can have quick links, related list quick links you can have there. So all the related objects quick link will be there. And you can add activities to the right. And if you want this particular region to be visible to only particular profile, then you can add visibility to the component by using the record fields or by going to advanced and selecting the particular field. The field can be a device, a user, permission or record. So if you go to user, then you can check for the profile, and if the profile name is equal to system administrator, then only this particular component should be visible. So there you can add visibility check on components, but you cannot add visibility on this particular tab. You have to add visibility on the entire thing, or you can add visibility to this component, but you cannot add visibility to this particular tab if it should be visible or not. This whole tab panel will be visible. You can add visibility for this, you can add visibility for this, in that manner. So in this way we can design particular record page using Lightning app. Then we will click on save. So this page will be saved. Now if we want to activate, so for which profiles we can customize it, like we will see in this. When I click on activate, this will be activated. So like if you want this to be an org default, if you want it to be an app default, so you can assign it to an app. If you want more customization to it, like in which app, for which record type and for which profile this should be visible, you can configure it here. Like you have to select first app, sales app, then you have to click on next, then okay fine, desktop and phone, and then click on next. You will to get master will be the record type from account, and then you have to click on next. So what profile this particular Lightning app should be visible, so you can select system administrator. You have to select next, so you can view it. Like app will be sales, record type will be master, profile will be system admin, form factor will be desktop and phone, current page is account record page, and new page is account record page. So you have to just click on save. The API name will be different, that's why it's same. You have to save the changes, then you have to just refresh it. So the updated page is there. As you can see, the custom tab, in this we have these two things. In this we have only cases. In the details we have all the detail of that particular account which we have designed here. So this is a Lightning record page which we can design. In the same manner we can have app page or home page designed for a particular app. Then we can edit this page by clicking on this setup and going to edit page. The same window will open, or same screen will open. In that we can modify, or we can add or remove the components as and when needed. Oh, there might be network issue. Okay, fine. So the same screen is there. You have to add, if you want to add anything you can add it. If you want to remove anything you can remove it. If you want to add dashboards, then you have to just look for the dashboard, and if you have created any dashboard that will be there, you can add that in a component. In this way, we can create the record page, and in the same way, we can create home page and app page. So, thank you. Have a nice day.